guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a chocolate espresso drip cake. It's my uncle's birthday and those are some of his favorite flavors as far as I know. So that's what we are making, and we're gonna make some handmade chocolates and some macarons to go on top. So let's get right into this cake.
So to start, I'm just filling my cake. I've got some chocolate cake, espresso Italian meringue buttercream, and chocolate simple syrup. I will link my buttercream tutorial on the screen here. And then I'm crumb coating my cake. I'm gonna let that chill and go back in with a second layer of buttercream. And then I'm gonna smooth that out with a bench scraper. Now I've got a nice cold cake and some room temperature ganache. This one is 1.5 parts chocolate to 1 part cream. And I like to use a squeeze bottle to get that nice drip effect. And now I'm just going in with a warm offset spatula to smooth out the top.
Okay, so it's time to decorate the cake. I've got some macarons and some chocolates that I made yesterday. I'm going to insert footage right now for you guys to see how to make them.
So I'm starting off with some espresso flavored macarons. I've got a piping bag with a number 10 tip and some ganache, and I'm just going to fill them. And now I'm moving on to the chocolates. I'm drizzling some dark chocolate into the white chocolate and then pouring that into my hemisphere mold. Then just shake that around to make sure there's an even coating and pour out the excess chocolate. And now I'm just filling them with ganache, and then I'm going to let those set up completely before popping them out. Now you just want to heat up a metal surface so that you can melt down the edges of the chocolates and put them together. So I've got my macarons, my chocolates, and some ganache with a number 21 tip, and I'm just going to arrange those on top of the cake. And then I'm going to go ahead and pipe a border around the bottom of the cake.
So the cake is looking amazing. I'm just going to go back in with some of the espresso buttercream and a number 4 tip to write happy birthday. Okay guys, we have the final cake here. I think it looks great. I think my uncle's gonna love it. I love the macarons on top. I think it's a nice touch. So that is all for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions for me or what you want to see next. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already and follow my Instagram at Desserts by Areesa. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!